Welcome to my YouTube channel GAMAARZ. Today, we get review about DS230 Drone Soccer FPV Kit with remote controller and amp, video goggles. Title: Elevate Your Aerial Game, DS230 Drone Soccer FPV Kit Review with Remote Controller and Amp, Video Goggles. The DS230 Drone Soccer FPV Kit, complete with a remote controller and video goggles, offers a thrilling and immersive experience for drone enthusiasts and those looking to take their aerial adventures to new heights. This comprehensive kit seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design, creating an accessible yet exhilarating drone flying experience. One of the standout features of the DS230 Drone Soccer FPV Kit is its unique design for drone soccer. Combining the excitement of drone flying with the competitive edge of a soccer game, this kit introduces users to a whole new dimension of aerial sports. The drone's agility and maneuverability, coupled with the immersive first-person view (FPV) experience, make drone soccer an engaging and adrenaline-pumping activity for both beginners and experienced pilots. The inclusion of a remote controller adds a layer of control precision to the DS230 drone. The controller is ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip and intuitive button layout for smooth and responsive maneuvers. With customizable settings and a user-friendly interface, even novice pilots can quickly grasp the controls, while experienced flyers can fine-tune their flight experience to match their preferences. The video goggles included in the kit elevate the flying experience to new heights. Offering a real-time FPV feed directly from the drone's perspective, these goggles provide an immersive view that puts the pilot in the cockpit. The high-resolution display and low-latency transmission ensure a seamless and responsive connection, allowing users to navigate through obstacles and execute precision moves with confidence. The DS230 drone itself boasts a robust build and advanced flight features. With a durable frame and protective guards, it can withstand collisions and bumps during spirited gameplay. The drone's agile flight capabilities, including 3D flips and rolls, add a layer of excitement beyond soccer, making it a versatile and entertaining device for various flying scenarios. The kit's compatibility with both indoor and outdoor settings enhances its usability. Whether you're navigating obstacles in a living room or soaring through the skies in an open field, the DS230 drone adapts to different environments with ease. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for users looking to enjoy the thrill of drone flying in various locations. The DS230 Drone Soccer FPV Kit caters to both recreational users and those interested in organized drone soccer competitions. The kit includes everything needed for a complete and immersive experience, making it an excellent gift for drone enthusiasts or a unique addition to social gatherings and events. In conclusion, the DS230 Drone Soccer FPV Kit with remote controller and amp, video goggles offers a perfect blend of technology and entertainment. Its innovative design, responsive controls, immersive FPV experience, and durable construction make it a standout choice for those seeking an exhilarating drone flying experience. Elevate your aerial game with this comprehensive kit and explore the thrilling world of drone soccer from a whole new perspective.